Looking at Humley, their room and desk booking devices are really impressive. High build quality, really thoughtfully designed. The mount for the room display is dead simple. There are options for DC power or PoE in back, and a USB port, which in the Max security version is disabled along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Matte, anti-glare display, 180-degree viewing angle, very intuitive interface. Easy to browse and grab available spaces. Also easy to report issues with the room you're in. And Humley's new sensor integration lets you monitor air quality, temperature, and CO2 levels in the room. The booking device has DC power, USB-C, micro USB, and mini DisplayPort options. It's wall mount, glass mount, under desk mount. It has an accelerometer to detect activity. RFID and NFC are built in for desk check-in. It's backlit just like the room display, and just as intuitive to use. Basically zero learning curve. It's simple, it's versatile, it's secure. In terms of hybrid working platforms, it's just the most well thought out solution out there.